Hi, I'm Tom Deacon, here for another episode of How to See It Now. In-car tech has developed a lot in recent years. Video can really help to explain the features available to the customers. So in this How to See It Now episode, we're going to spend a few minutes taking you through some examples of this being done well. Most customers today will want to connect their mobile device through Bluetooth. It can be worth showing how to access and pair the device. Or perhaps there's a really useful feature in the navigation software that's easier to show and explain. All of this helps the customer engage more, create excitement, and feel more comfortable knowing they will be able to get the most out of their car. It's also a great way to build rapport and demonstrate how much you know your stuff. Without further delay, let's take a look at our first clip of someone doing this well.
So going back to the interior, going back to the steering wheel, as I mentioned, it's a faux leather, very soft material to feel, and it's also heated. You've got cruise control limiter on the left hand side, voice control, phone connectivity, and volume on the right hand side. The paddle shifters, again, nice aluminium finish on those. The mileage on the vehicle, as you can see, it's 46,006 miles. You've got the lane keeping assist at the top of the vehicle there, and auto hold option, which is the park on there. And also the options on the front collision assist and the lane keeping assist and pedestrian alert on there as well. Going back, the service history, you've got full service history there, which is all up to date, not overdue, and everything's been done at BMW, which is also always good for your peace of mind that the car's been very well looked after. And moving into the entertainment system, you've got DB radio, phone connectivity, the actual hardware, hard drive on the car, so you can save your old favourite songs and CDs on the vehicle. Professional satellite navigation, which is a slightly bigger screen than you would get on a standard one, and it's very easy to use, very responsive and sharp system, which is all operated by the hard drive control further down.
A good clip there from Patrick, showing and reading off the mileage, which is always important as it helps verify the advertised mileage for the customer. From there, we can see an explanation of the service history, which is another good trust builder, and Patrick iterates this has been done through the dealer, highlighting that it's good to know the car has been in safe hands. He then demonstrates some of the main map features by interacting with them. We've got one last clip to show you that focuses on all of the functions across the dashboard.
Sports chrono pack, so you get the clock in the middle, and you get your drive modes on your steering wheel. So you get Sport, Sports Plus, if the camera will focus, and then you get your overtake button as well. So then you've got 20 seconds of sport response for overtaking as well. Full adaptive cruise control rather than the standard cruise control, and of course we get a heated steering wheel as well. And then in these screens, I'll run through this in more detail as and when. So I'll just cancel that. You can see you've got all your, I'll just run through here, there we go. All your options there, including CitNOW on the main screen there. G-force meter, where your power's going, like so as well. It's really, really nice. You've got the super modern interior and the buttons, so proper buttons, just completely flush, and then it all disappears when the engine's off. Of course, you get dual zone climate and Porsche's latest navigation system here as well. If we go into car, we've got the adaptive air suspension, so you've got terrain, so you can really raise it. They are surprisingly capable off-road, these Cayennes, medium, high and low, and that works in conjunction with the PASM suspension. So you get all your, so if I go into Sports Plus on the suspension, you can see it automatically goes low. So you'll be in medium and high, sorry, medium and low, and then it will go high a little bit as well.
A very detailed look at many of the features, showing what each button does and how the driver can use and benefit from it, nicely and clearly explained by the video taker. Demonstrating the features of the car and putting them into context really brings them to life for the customer. If you're already sitting in the car, it's worth showing these features to their fullest. It may sway the customer towards the car if they are looking at various models, and you have demonstrated well that one make or break feature they really want. Thanks for watching this episode. We've put links below in the description to all of the videos seen in the episode. If you like this video, please click like, and if you're not already, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you can be notified when new videos are published.